island breeze, calling my name tonight. From Koro to Yasawa, the story lives on. This one is for the strong mothers of the islands.
It's your boy Rock in the mix.
Lisi Finau, maramani koro Vasuniga mea, Taveuni no paradise. Raised by the sea and the mountain breeze, where the waves sing softly through the coconut trees. Across the coral sea, our roots run deep where the ocean stays blue. Daughter of the islands, strong and proud. Her heart shines bright like the sunset cloud.
Through every storm and every tide, family love standing by her side. The laughter of children fills the air, island blessings everywhere.
Maramani koro, shining like the morning sun. Her love for her children will never be undone. Alesi by her side, three little stars in the island sky. From Taveuni shores to Yawasa sea, her family roots run wild and free. Maramani koro, hear the island cry. Your love forever will never die. Bawatima Yasawa irara, where the ocean sings its ancient stories. Beside Lisi Finau, walking strong. Dina nira mataka mitana maramani ya sawa. Ya ivina ngao koro. Isaac laughing in the island breeze, Adam running through the mango trees. Little Alesi with her mother's smile, lighten up the world island style, yeah.
Through every struggle, through every tear, family love always drawing near. The spirit of the islands guiding the way, blessings wrapping.
Maramani koro, shining like the morning sun. Her love for her children will never be undone. Isaac, Adam, Alesi by her side, three little stars in the island sky. From Taveuni shores to Yawasa sea, her family roots run wild and free. Maramani koro, hear the island cry. Your love forever will never die. Oh mama, the islands are proud of you, strong like the waves of the ocean blue. Through the years your love will stay, guiding your children every day, yeah.
From sea village to the far blue sea, your story lives in your family tree. The drums of the islands beat tonight for a mother's love so strong and bright.
Koro, shining like the morning sun. Her love for her children will never be undone. Isaac, Adam, Alesi by her side, three little stars in the island sky. From Taveuni shores to Yawasa sea, her family roots run wild and free.
Maramani koro, hear the island cry. Your love forever will never die.
Oh, Lisi Finau, Maramani koro. Your story flows like the island tide,
Family forever by your side. Oh, yeah,
yeah, yeah.
Island love.